We got this garden hose reel to place on the side of our house in Alaska. Stay tuned to find out if this is a sturdy enough hose reel to purchase on Amazon. To my surprise, this hose reel does not come assembled, but no worries, nothing that Dad cannot figure out. There are a few moving parts to this, but thankfully we have the directions that can help us get through the process easier. And most of all, very grateful that all of the screws are there, all of the parts are there, nothing is missing, and the black matte material on the hose reel is really nice looking. It includes the 3.9 liter hose, but I already know I'm not going to use it because the placement of this reel is going to be a little bit further away from the water line, so I will need a longer liter hose, which I'll purchase probably at Home Depot. Here's what I did with this reel. I attached it to this. I painted this 2x4, sawed it to the right size. I ended up not putting screws through here, which is fine because this is really, really stable. It's not going anywhere. So I'm really happy with how it looks like.